Howdy folks, DJ Smoker back with you. It's been a week or two, so we just want to get you caught up. We had some technical difficulties that we had to work through, but today is a good day, and I think we got them worked out. So we're working with a couple hamburgers, afternoon cook, watch the football game. These are Providence Cattle Company ground beef burgers, and in my humble opinion, this is the best burger I've ever tasted, hands down. Now, I'm not just saying it. They didn't sponsor or pay for this, or this is not a sales pitch. This is an actually great. So I'm gonna let you tag along while I make a little afternoon snack here and talk about what I'm doing. So I'll come back to you in a second. We're gonna cook these things to probably a medium rare-ish, medium well-ish, somewhere in that. And we're gonna share that with you. All right, I'll be back. So just did my first turn. You know, when you're cooking with quality beef, you can smell the difference. I know I can. I don't know if you can. You can also taste the difference. We're cooking on gas today simply because I'm out of fuel for everything else. So we got a couple hungry people, and I said, well, this is what I keep the gas grill around for, emergencies, right? So we're just gonna let these do what they need to do, and I'm just gonna tag along with you, and I'll be back. All right, I've never temped a burger in my life, but I'm gonna tempt today. $136, nope, not even close. 89, 129, 118. So we're slow rolling. We got some Swiss cheese, brioche buns getting ready to go on. And I'm just gonna slow things down a little bit. All right, stay with us. I promise you don't want to miss this final product. The Providence Burger. That's what we're calling this, the Providence Burger. Good folks over at Providence Cattle Company. Shout out to them. All right, back with you folks. We got two slow cooking up top. Buns are heating up. A little Swiss cheese. I'm gonna let that melt. And we'll be ready to build here shortly. Boom. There you have it. Providence Burger with steak fries. See you next time. DJ Smoker, I'm out.